Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we would like to see a program for print the index of second largest number in the positive array. If second largest number duplicate, print -1. Consider this example. This is array size, which is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 array size. Then these are the array elements we get input from the user. We have to print the second largest index position. Here the second largest in first largest number is 18, second largest number is 16, its position is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to print output 4. Consider this another example. Six array size. These are the array element. Here the second largest number is first largest number is 5. Second largest number is 3. Three is duplicated. Two times are there. So we will print -1. Shall we begin with our program? Here we get input that is array size. Consider the first example. It's like then we get the input from the user. So we declare an empty array of size L. I declare another duplicate array also in order to find its position. So I declare another array of the same size. This size also sits. After that, I will get input from the user for the first array. Error of I equal to sc dot next and it will store the first array will store error of I equal 0. It's I copy the same example. Yeah, likewise the element will get stored error of 1 equal to 3, error of 2 equal to. I consider this example because here there is no duplicate, so it will help you to understand clearly. I remove it. So 18, 11, 12, error of 3 equal to 15, 4 equal to 16, error of 5 equal to 16, error of 6 equal to 11. Likewise, the element will get stored in the first array. In second array, it will be initialized to 0. After that, I will store the array elements of first array to the second array in order to find its index position. So the same will get stored in second array, but only the name will get only changed. For is equal to 0, a2 of 0 equal to error of 0. A2 of 0 is equal to error of 0, which is 18. After that, error of k will get incremented to 1. So a2 of 1 equal to error of 1, which is 11. A2 of 2 equal to error of 2. A2 of 3 equal to error of 3. A2 of 4 equal to error of 4. A2 of 5 equal to error of 5. A2 of 6 equal to error of 6. Likewise, the element will get stored in a duplicate array. After that, I sort the first array. In this step, arrays.sort of array name. So it will sort like this, like it will sort in ascending order. So here the smallest element is the. So here is also 11 is there, right? So consider this as 13. 15 is not there. Okay. Here there is a small mistake in it. It will be 15. It will be 15 and it will be 15. Okay. It will be sorted in ascending order. So here the smallest element is 11. So the first element will become 11. The second smallest element is 12. Then 13. Then 15. Then 16. Here the smallest element is 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. Then 18. I repeat two times that 11, so it will not come. So it means 0 to 5 only it will run. Okay. So it will get shorted as 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 18. The first array will get shorted in like this way. Then in second, we have to find second largest element, right? So if we sort the array, the first largest element is 18. We will get this element by error of length -1. So we want here the second largest. So we access the element by error dot length -1, length -2, which is error dot length is 6, 6 minus 2, which is 4. So error of 4, which is 16. It is the second. It will be stored in second. Then we initialize count is equal to 0, flag is equal to 0. We have to find the position. Sorry, we have to find the index. So the duplicate, we have to iterate the duplicate array. It will store, because the first array will get sorted in this manner. So only we declare a duplicate array. It's stored as per the question. So it will iterate which element will get 16. Count will get incremented. It will iterate I is equal to 0, which is 11. 11 is not equal to second. 12 is not equal to second. 13 is not equal to second. 15 is not equal to second. 16 is equal to second. So count will get incremented to 1. Count will 1 and flag is equal to I. For I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I is equal to 4. So flag is equal to 4. Okay. Then it will not find after that 5. 5 is 18. It's not equal to second. So it comes outside the loop. Its state count is equal to 1. Yeah, here the count is equal to 1. So it will print the flag value. Flag value is 4. So the output 4 here printed. 4 is the index position of second largest element. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the second largest element. So it prints 4. Consider this example. In this case, the second largest element is 3. Here the count will get to 2. So it will not satisfy this condition. Count equal to 2. But the condition is count equal to 1. So it will not satisfy. It will print -1. Shall we run the program? Yeah, I give the same input 6. Then this. I give enter. It will print 4. As expected output we get. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Thank you.